We accept with humility and a great sense of responsibility the trust and confidence that the Government of India has reposed in Airbus. In the Tata Group, so ably helmed by our partner and friend, Mr. Chandrasekaran, Airbus has a most trusted and respected partner, and both our companies will work together to build an excellent final assembly line here in Gujarat. Together, we will be delivering an aircraft that will strengthen the Indian Air Force and serve the Honorable Prime Minister's vision of an Atmanirbhar Bharat. The Gujarat C295 final assembly line is a direct product of Prime Minister Shri Modi's visionary Make in India policy, a policy that has encouraged my company Airbus to reimagine the way we do business in India. The C295 program will kickstart a defense-focused private industrial ecosystem in this country, and its execution will create thousands of jobs and a robust local supplier base. Sir, the C295 is the latest of Airbus's contributions towards powering India's aerospace and defense sector. Airbus shares a 6-decade-long relationship of collaboration and symbiotic growth with India, with its prestigious institutions, partners such as HAL, ISRO, and DRDO. We take immense pride in the fact that we have been and continue to be a partner in this Indian growth story. India is indeed the largest market in the world for our flagship commercial product, the Airbus A320. And on average, we will deliver to India more than one aircraft every week for the next 10 years.